last time this Bitcoin signal has flashed, Bitcoin increased by a significant 150% towards the upside. And on today's update video, this signal is flashing again. I'm gonna be exactly discussing what this means for the Bitcoin price action right now. Also, yesterday we had more than 470 million US dollars worth of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. I'm gonna be discussing this and much more on today's update video. So without any further ado, don't forget to once again slap up that like button back above 1000 likes on today's update video. That would be highly appreciated. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in today's update video. And of course, I'm also gonna be discussing the exact reasons why I think Bitcoin is gonna be going much higher and why we already have seen this significant increasement in Bitcoin price. So first of all, we can see that we're once again starting to be pushing up towards the upside. I mean, yesterday I discussed that we were creating somewhat of a slight little bearish divergence here on the 1 hour time frame, but we do know that on the bigger perspective, it doesn't really all too much matter, and we already have seen a slight little drop towards the downside right here, and now we're starting to be pushing back again towards the upside. So that is very great to be seeing right now. So you can see that on the 4 hourly time frame, we actually broke above this very important level right here, and now this level is actually starting to be providing support, which is very bullish in my opinion. We're still trading in a massive upward sloping trend here on that 4 hourly time frame. And yes, if we're looking at the spot Bitcoin ETFs, guys, yesterday we had 470 million US dollars worth of inflows, which is insane because for the last 5 days here, the last 5 trading days, we have seen massive inflows, and we've seen more than 2 billion US dollars approximately getting bought in the last 5 trading days. And yes, all alone, BlackRock bought already more than 300 million US dollars worth of Bitcoin as well. So we can see that, well, you are potentially panicking right now here. We're seeing massive amounts of Bitcoin getting bought through these ETFs. So the large players and the whales are basically starting to buy, while the majority of the traders are actually still panicking. And going back towards maybe one of the most important reasons why Bitcoin is currently right now pumping is probably due to the fact of the US election, since the odds are shifting heavily. And like we know, Trump is a pro-Bitcoin president and Harris wants to be cracking down crypto, and since he is right now dropping heavily in the polls, it is probably the reason why Bitcoin is right now pumping. And I want to be pointing out that if we're looking at historical data, every single time we had the US election, always after that, we have seen massive increasements in Bitcoin price, and you can see it over here as well. Every single time whenever we have US elections, after that, the Bitcoin price goes exponential. We've got actual data proving this fact, and that is why you should not be fading it right now here. And you can see currently also on the 12-hour time frame on Bitcoin, if we're starting to zoom in again, you can see that this major level of previous support flipped into resistance right here, got us rejected multiple times, and currently is actually providing support, which is a very bullish thing in my opinion. And yes, you can see here on the daily time frame, we're starting to be breaking out of this major downward sloping trend here, which has actually provided us resistance for already more than 217 days here. So a major level of resistance is currently getting broken, and that is considered to be extremely bullish in my opinion. Further on, we can currently start to see that on the daily time frame, the trend is also shifting around here from a major downtrend, first of all, now to an uptrend where we're creating higher highs and higher lows on the lower side. So yes, I want to be pointing out also the fact that Q4 has historically been the best performing period in the market for Bitcoin, and you can see it in every single bull market year. So 2016, 2020, and now in 2024. I mean, in these previous days, we've seen Bitcoin at least go up plus 50% here, and in 2020 it was plus 170% here. So the crazy gains are still yet to come in Q4, and that is what I will believe until history is proven otherwise here. But right now, I believe history is still going to be repeating. If it's not repeating, it will be rhyming. So yeah, also looking at the exchange reserves, while we're consolidating in this major consolidation phase, more and more Bitcoin reserves are leaving the exchanges, which is ultimately creating a major scarcity effect on the market. And that, of course, is not something you will be feeling in the imminent short term, but for the long term, this is where the supply shock is in the making right now here. So we can see also on this chart right here, we're literally at the pre-bull market stage here in the cycle, and the most exponential gains are about to be happening any moment right now here. You can see also that the future smart money is massively buying Bitcoin, and as long as smart money is buying Bitcoin, I'm convinced Bitcoin is also going to be going much higher. And also guys, if you're interested in trading, don't forget to check out Blofin in the link description of today's video, because if you right now sign up an account to Blofin, you can get a free $10,000 in deposit bonuses, which is very easy to be claiming. And if you think now, oh wait, I do want to be doing KYC, because on Blofin you can trade without any KYC, guys. But if you want to be trading with KYC, check out Bybit in the link description. You can also get a free $500 ARB position for signing up an account and completing your KYC. So if you're interested in trading, check it out in the link description of today's video to claim these insane deposit bonuses, which are right now only available if you sign up an account using that link below. Further on, we can currently see that the Bitcoin bull flag pattern is actually starting to be breaking out right now here. The massive breakout of the bull flag pattern is starting right now, and the price target, guys, is insane. The price target is laying around $120,000, and more importantly, where I talked about in the beginning of the video, guys, we're having this major bullish crossover happening right now on the MACD here. And the last time this happened, the Bitcoin price increased heavily with an approximately 170% towards the upside. And right now, if only something similar is going to be happening, Bitcoin is already going to go to 140k plus here. So the breakout is starting on the bull flag pattern. We're starting to see the MACD on the weekly time frame crossing bullish right now here. We are at a golden point here in the market where I believe the major rally is about to be starting. We're breaking this big downtrend right here, and on the monthly time frame, we're starting to see that we're having this major breakout of this falling wedge pattern. So ultimately, I don't really see a big reason to be bearish on Bitcoin right now here. And of course, in exactly 20 days from now on, I say 20, but it's even 18. In exactly 18 days from now on, we're going to be having the US election. And like my data proves, guys, this is something you do not want to be fading, because historically, this has always created the biggest pumps in the market. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video here on my channel. If you did enjoy, don't forget to slap on that like button, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. So with that being said, thanks so much for watching. Peace out. Goodbye.